Greetings, everyone. This is Cameron Foose with thetechnicaltrader.net. It is Thursday, November 20th. Just another real crappy day in the markets. Looking at the daily chart here, the Dow, this broke down the recent lows we had in early October, which was 78.82. We're currently at 76.32. Next stop from here is around 7,200. If we look back here, these were the recent lows from back in late '02. Was 72.04. So this looks like we're just heading straight down here. The market has just been getting slammed. Look at these last 2 months, just from around 11,000 down to 76.44. So the market's just real bearish right now. No good news coming in. Every day it just seems more bad news coming out. So technically this just broke this down and just looking real bearish here. Taking a look at the 5-day, 5-minute chart. This is what we were watching here earlier today. Was this bearish top head and shoulders pattern here with this left shoulder right here, and then this head right here, and then the right shoulder here, and then it broke down the neckline pretty much right around here, which was also this ascending channel kind of that was forming here. So this kind of triggered this bearish move down here, and then finally kind of stopped out right around this low, kind of consolidated a little bit, then came down to this low, consolidated a little bit, and then it finally broke down. Currently we're down 336 points. We were just down around 410. So overall this is looking really bearish. I was not really looking to any short positions today. I was kind of mostly long just because we were at this huge support level looking at the daily chart. So I was thinking that we could easily see a market rebound here, but as we moved into the close of this last hour, it just kind of sold off really dramatically, which has been the way it's been all week. Just in the last hour, there's just been swings of 100 to 200 points, which is why I mentioned I'm probably not going to buy or sell anything in this last hour of the trading session, just because it's too hard to predict whether this is going to be rallying here because we're so oversold already, or if this is just going to continue down and break below these prior lows, because the chart pattern on the daily chart, this just indicated another short signal here. But this market has just been full of false breakouts and breakdowns, and so I'm still worried that we could still see this rebound strong from here. So I'm still not looking predominantly short or long at the moment. It's just, you just kind of got to take what comes your way. Just, it's way too volatile. So we're going to take a look at a couple of the day trades we made. We traded 4 stocks. We traded Morgan Stanley, LVLT, AIG, and IPG. We were 2 for 2, 2 wins, 2 losses. So we'll take a look at a couple of these. We'll first look at Morgan Stanley. Why I bought this and sold this. So I was looking at this chart pattern here. It had this bullish ascending triangle pattern forming here, and you know the market was looking pretty decent. So I bought this at 1060, right around here, just near the support level. You know, as buying at support, you know, there's a high risk reward there, and so I was looking for this to continue up from here and maybe possibly break out, and then I was going to sell if it broke this down. So it broke this down shortly after that, and I sold at 1043. You got to cut your losses short. So lost a small amount of money on that, got out of that quick. And then looking at our next stock, LVLT, we were looking at this pattern here, this ascending triangle pattern forming up here early this morning around 9:30 or so. So I bought this at 84 as I was anticipating this to break out here, and so I went long 84 and lured my members to go long. And then 0.90, just with these real small stocks, whole numbers like 90, 80, 70, 60, those are going to be areas where there's going to be a lot of buying and a lot of selling. So this peaked at 90 cents. I sold my shares at 0.89, so I got out right near the top, and most of my members did as well. Just, you know, you got to take your profits quick and cut your losses short in this market, because it's really unpredictable where these stocks are going to go. So that was about a 6% day trade that we made right there real quick. And then taking a look at the next stock, AIG. This had a really great looking chart pattern forming this morning. So just looking at it from this point of view, it had a pretty bullish ascending triangle pattern forming here with the resistance around 170. So if this broke 170, this was looking real bullish, like this could break out. So I went long here at 168. Right around here, same thing, anticipating a possible breakout, as the market was looking fairly strong. Even though it was down around 60 points on the Dow at this point, it was trending up nicely along a trend line. So I was anticipating this to hopefully break out above 170. I went long at 168, but as this was breaking down this ascending trend line as well as a 13 EMA, I got out at 165. So cut my losses real short here. Didn't really lose much. And then last but not least, we made a decent trade on IPG here earlier this morning. Same thing, just kind of predicting and anticipating a bullish breakout here. I bought this at 292 right in here, and then this rallied real quick right here up to right above 301. So I sold this at 301 from 292 to 301. So a quick short-term day trade, but with these small stocks, you know, trade under $5, you can make, you know, quick little 5% swings just in a matter of time. And so took my profits on that. It wasn't a too bad of a day. Let's take a look at what Dow's doing here into the close. Just looking real bearish. Yeah, down 404 points today. So it's just, this market is a pile of crap right now. Just nothing's going for it. Just all these rallies that are just getting met with a bunch of sellers again. So this rallied up here around 8,200 with this kind of horizontal resistance here, and then just completely got hammered all the way down from there into the close. And now we're down 430 points. So I'm thinking that we could easily see down to low 700 or low 7,000s here around 7,200, which was the lows in late '02. So just, you know, kind of going the flow here. I'm still remaining real cautious with all my trades. I've been really light on my trading lately, just not trying to force anything, just kind of letting this market pan itself out, and then if I see an opportunity come up on my way, then you know, I'll go into it. But for the most part, all these chart patterns, it's just a lot of false breakouts and breakdowns. It's real hard to use technical analysis in this market. Currently, it's really hard to use anything, and a lot of people are losing money out there, and so I'm just being conservative, just taking things as they come, not really trying to force any trades. And I'd recommend doing that same thing. You know, if you just don't try to force stuff, just let kind of go with the flow, let the market kind of pan itself out here, and just be conservative. And so that's my game plan. That's what I suggest you do as well. And decent day today. We made some money, even though all our stocks were on the long side, even though the market's down 430 points. So that's a pretty good day for us. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. If I can find the stop button here. There it is. All right. See you guys tomorrow.